Cybersecurity or NordPass? Two giants in password protection. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Cybersecurity, enterprise-grade security for everyone. And on the right, NordPass, sleek privacy, effortless security. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, let's map this out together. Here's exactly what we're going to compare between Keeper and NordPass: pricing, security, multi-factor authentication, data breach monitoring, file storage, password tools, apps and extensions, family and business features, advanced stuff, yeah, extra nerdy, emergency access, reporting, and finally, compliance and certifications. Buckle up, because there's a lot to unpack. Let's kick it off with pricing, because honestly, who isn't watching their wallet these days? Keeper gives you unlimited devices, which sounds great, and there's a 30-day free trial, but those add-ons, they'll cost you. And if you're a business, expect to pay a bit more, not gonna lie. Now, NordPass, it rolls in with a much lower starting price, like $1.49 a month. Pretty impressive, considering you still get unlimited devices and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Though, heads up, no phone support. But if you can live without that, yeah, NordPass takes the win here. Next up, security, aka the real reason you're using any of these apps. Keeper, classic moves here. 256-bit AES, zero knowledge, and a public bug bounty program. Tons of heavy-hitting compliance. FIPS 140-3, FedRAMP, SOC 2. And bonus, you can toss MFA in even before entering your password. But if you want those extra security layers, yep, you're back to paid add-ons. Now, NordPass is kind of flexing with XChaCha20 encryption, which is pretty cutting edge. Same zero-knowledge story, super clean record, no breaches, and it's based in Panama. No joke, that's privacy heaven. Fewer compliance badges compared to Keeper, but still solid. I'd say, especially for regular folks, NordPass edges this one out for pure privacy vibes. Rolling on to multi-factor authentication. Keeper is honestly stacked when it comes to MFA. Tons of methods, even lets you set up MFA before you get to your password, plus you can store 2FA codes right in the vault. You do have to pay a little extra for the super advanced stuff, but man, it's thorough. NordPass also offers MFA, and you can store 2FA codes on your mobile, but there are just fewer options and no pre-password MFA. Keeper rightfully claims the crown here. Oh, and here's something cool most people don't know. NordPass is based in Panama. So honestly, your data is way out of the reach of those Five Eyes government surveillance folks. Meanwhile, Keeper's all about strict enterprise compliance. Totally different vibes, don't you think? Let's talk about data breach and dark web monitoring. Keeper's Breach Watch gives you real-time alerts if your info shows up on the dark web, which is awesome, but, sigh, only if you pay extra. Not exactly built in. Over at NordPass, real-time breach alerts come standard. Super handy, especially if you're the kind who's always worried about leaks. Plus, you get really detailed info about what was compromised. I mean, come on, that's a win for NordPass. Apps and extensions are next. Keeper's pretty versatile, honestly. Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, and even Chrome OS, although just the web version. Extensions for all your regular browsers, but don't expect Tor support here. NordPass matches all those platforms, but throws in Tor browser support too, which is kind of cool if you're into anonymity online. So between the two, I'd call this one a tie. Both have you covered. File storage. Keeper does let you save encrypted files and share them securely, which is neat. Family Plan throws in a decent 10 gigabytes. Downside? In the base plan, you can only store 5 files, which honestly feels kind of stingy. NordPass gives you 3 gigabytes with premium, and if you want unlimited storage, there's a separate app for that. A little clunky, maybe, but overall, NordPass packs in more straightforward options. So yeah, point goes to NordPass. Let's get into password and vault tools. Keeper covers the basics: password generator, vault auditing, secure sharing, yeah, all the usual stuff. Now, NordPass cranks it up with password history, a password health checker, email masking, so you can hide your real email for signups, and full-on passkey support. Seriously? That kind of extra utility is hard to beat. NordPass takes it. Family and business features. Keeper Family is solid. 10 gigabyte storage, and it's got all the bells and whistles for managing a team or whole company. Role-based access, SSO Connect, the works. Downside, if you want emergency access, pay up. NordPass has the family and business plans too, with HIPAA compliance, which is impressive, but just less admin firepower for teams. Keeper lands this one for the pros out there. Advanced features, yeah, the nerd stuff. Keeper brings in secure messaging via Keeper Chat, Secrets Manager for dev teams, and a bunch of ways to split up admin roles. You're noticing a pattern, right? Some of this is add-on territory. NordPass, you get email masking and passkey support, which is cool if you're big on privacy, but it's pretty limited when it comes to managing secrets for teams. Keeper gets the high five here.
Emergency access?
Super important, but actually, both of these guys do a pretty great job. Keeper and NordPass each let you set up access in case the worst happens, and neither leaves you hanging. Let's call this one a tie.
Reporting and alerts. Keeper's definitely the business control center. Their advanced reporting and security dashboard give you all sorts of granular info and notifications. Big enterprise vibes. NordPass, meanwhile, has basic alerts, but limited reporting. So if you're the type who wants to geek out on analytics, Keeper's your pick. Compliance and certifications. Keeper is super proud of all their badges, like really professional stuff. FIPS 140-3, FedRAMP, SOC 2 Type 2. It's what big companies love. NordPass does bring some goodies, SOC 2, ISO 27001, HIPAA, but just doesn't have quite the laundry list. Keeper picks up the win for the compliance nerds. All right, if you're more of a visual person, picture this. On our radar chart, NordPass shines in privacy and pricing, swooping up categories like breach monitoring and password tools. Keeper, though, dominates business features, security compliance, and advanced options. You can just see the split between individual privacy buffs and big organizations. So here's my honest take.
NordPass is awesome for anyone obsessed with privacy, keeping things simple, and getting that bargain price. If your goal is personal security, it's a clear winner. If you're managing a team, business, or just super into having more control and compliance, Keeper is your power tool. Each one serves up something unique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to actually use a password manager. Seriously, your online security is only as strong as your weakest password. Stay safe out there.